Trump signs order restricting gender care for young people. Thus, President Donald Trump has signed an executive order aimed at restricting gender care for people under the age of 19. In the order, Trump said federal support for such care would end. He called on the Health and Human Services Secretary to take all appropriate actions to end the chemical and surgical mutilation of children. The order said it was referring to treatments including puberty blockers, hormones such as oestrogen or testosterone, as well as surgical procedures. It is likely to face legal challenges. The order directs federally run insurance programs to exclude coverage for treatments related to gender transition for minors. It also aims to stop medical institutions that receive federal grants providing such treatments. More than 26 U.S. states have already implemented restrictions on gender care for children and young people. Multiple American medical associations, including the American Academy of Pediatrics and American Medical Association, have argued that this kind of care is needed. But the science on medical interventions in gender care, especially for children, is disputed. Several European countries have commissioned reviews. Last year, a review of gender identity services for under 18s in England and Wales said children had been let down by a lack of research and remarkably weak evidence on medical interventions in gender care. Transgender rights advocates quickly criticized the White House's move. Today's order lays out a clear plan to shut down access to life-saving medical care for transgender youth nationwide, overriding the role of families and putting politics between patients and their doctors, said Chase Strangio of the American Civil Liberties Union's LGBT and HIV Project. But conservative groups applauded the order. The Alliance Defending Freedom, a Christian legal advocacy group, called it a refreshing return to sanity. Less than 1% of the population over the age of 13 in the U.S. are transgender, according to a study by the UCLA Williams Institute, and the number seeking medical care is smaller. Earlier this week, Trump signed an order urging defense officials to re-examine the military's policy on transgender troops. That has already been challenged in court. These executive orders fulfill a campaign pledge from Trump to his supporters to roll back policies around transgender people put in place by the Biden administration.